Hello everyone, my name is Nahid. Welcome. Today, we're painting a quiet road lined with trees. We will use simple shapes and only 5 colors to capture a peaceful atmosphere, focusing on dark and light. Light sky color. Take a lot of titanium white and a small touch of ultramarine blue. It should be very pale, soft blue. If needed, you can add more ultramarine blue to achieve the desired. Dark tree color. Mix ultramarine blue with a good amount of burnt umber. This creates a dark, moody shadow color. We are using 5 colors: titanium white, cadmium yellow, permanent alizarin, ultramarine blue, and burnt umber. Dark grass color, dark green. Mix ultramarine blue with a small amount of cadmium yellow and a little burnt umber. This makes a deeper, shadowed green. Light green. For light trees and grass, mix cadmium yellow with a little ultramarine blue, a little alizarin, and a little titanium white. This creates a bright, shiny green. Next, take your warm light color. Use it to paint the road. Keep it soft, making it slightly brighter right near the center of the horizon, where the light is the calmest. Warm light color. Mix mostly titanium white with a tiny touch of cadmium yellow and a tiny touch of burnt umber. This is a pale, soft, warm gray. Now we will use light green for the sunny parts of the trees and grass. Take a tiny touch of permanent alizarin and mix it with the warm light color, white and yellow. This makes a very soft, pinkish tone. Step back and look at your painting. We used only shapes and dark and light colors to create a beautiful, quiet road. The strong contrast between the light sky and the dark, simple tree shapes creates that peaceful, dramatic atmosphere. Thank you for painting with me. I hope you found this simple approach helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more painting lessons. Take care, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!